Yeah. So the code is 839. Yeah, what it actually does is give you a message and then you start again. 808. It is. Them 5 zeros. So now it's transmitting the. You don't absolutely have to catch that part. I know what it says there. Just staying on it and staying steady. So if you want to set your phone up now, even if, as I say, if you can get it to a spot where it's just sitting still. I recorded 12 minutes on mine. You don't need that much. The message comes in at like between 3 and 3.5 minutes, so I'd go like 4.5 or 5. Yeah. Takes 3.5 minutes to send 150 characters. Dad, play with me. So the code it's going to give you will only work for you, and you don't have to do it right this second. You know, like go to another round, but that code number will only work for you. So like I couldn't steal it and fucking put it in and take your camo like if I didn't have it. Yeah. It's some of the ones I saw online were 8 digits, but I think those were like PC numbers because the one I had and the one that was an example was off of Xbox and they were 9-number strings. But fuck, if you didn't know, which is why I didn't record the first time or do anything, it's like because I was watching the how-to while I was doing it. So I started it, like did what we're doing now, and then was like, well fuck, you didn't tell me ahead of time I had to record it, now I missed it. But I didn't realize it was like a 5-minute long, 4-minute long message. And it just keeps repeating too, so it's not like, you know, it's earth-shattering if you miss it right from the start, as long as you record long enough to capture the whole thing. I'd give it another couple minutes, go to like 5 minutes, just to be safe. And that app that I asked you to get, I don't know if it should work. That's what everybody was recommending, but I don't know how well it works. The one I used is an Apple version, and I happened to find it and said, let me try it, and then like after I did it, I found one thread saying in Babylog saying if you have iPhone, try this one. But it's okay. It worked perfectly on mine, and it worked on another one, but there was one somebody was asking for help that would just give me gibberish, so that's why I said we'll both record it and see. Me fucking neither. So I had to create a YouTube login, and then there's an app for mine called YouTube Capture, which because it wouldn't send it even